Friends, welcome back to our channel Geologica. Today in this video we are going to see about a job notification which is offered by the National Institute of Ocean Technology, which is situated in the Chennai. So we are going to see the PDF of this notification and we will see how many posts are there, what are the essential qualifications. Okay, so let's go to the PDF. So friends, as you can see, this is the official notification by National Institute of Ocean Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences from Indian government. So as you can see, there are a number of posts for the project scientist 1, 2 and 3. We have the vacancies for project scientific assistant, project technician, project junior assistant, research associate, as well as few posts for GRF and SRF student. So there are total number of 237 posts. Out of those, some are for the geology student, although we have other posts for some physics or some engineering categories also. So we will see what are the posts related to the geology students. So the first post is, we have the code number 5. Here we can see this is belonging to the geology, GIS or remote sensing for 2 posts of unreserved category. So here the essential qualification is MSc in geology or applied geology, or if you have marine geology, marine geophysics. So all of these will be considered under this category. And what are the qualifications? If you have, then you will get advantages. So advantages will be given to the PhD students in geology or PhD in marine geology, applied geology or marine geophysics. Okay, so these students can also be given the preference. This is the work which you have done under this post. So you have to deal with the coastal geomorphology and coastal processes related data collections. Okay, and you can deal with the topographic and bathymetry data, satellite imagery, ArcGIS. So this is the work which you have to do under this category. Now other notifications for geology student are the post number 15 and 16. Okay, these. So post code 15 and post code 16. The post name is geology remote sensing and applied geology, marine geology or marine geophysics. So here you have the total 4 posts, 2 for unreserved, 1 for SC and 1 for OBC. Here you have the single post for the unreserved category. Essential qualifications: you should have a MSc in geology or applied geology, marine geology or the marine geophysics with at least 60% marks. Okay, if you have a BE or BTech degree in geoinformatics or geomatics, you can also apply for this category. Now for this post, you should have a master degree in applied geology or marine geology. You may have a marine geophysics also with at least 60% marks. Now if you have PhD in geology or these qualifications, if you have, then you will get an advantage for these posts. Now the work which you have to do is planning of seabed sampling, mapping with hydrogenic, hydrographic, geological and geophysical survey type. You should have handle some sensors, sampling devices. The coastal geomorphology will also come in this category. You have to deal with some gas hydrate research, reservoirs and some satellite image processing, handling of GIS softwares. Then under the post code 16, you have to deal with the seabed mapping system, design of sampling, reservoir modeling, oceanographic sensors. So like this. These are the some posts for the geology student. So some categories are related to oceanography also. So this is post for the oceanography student. If you have a master degree in oceanography, physical oceanography or some oceanographic like chemical, physical, ocean technology, ocean science, so you can apply for this post code 17. Again, if you have PhD, then you will get some extra advantage for these posts, and you have to deal mainly with the ocean conditions. Okay, so you have another conditions, another post for marine biology, in microbiology, biotechnology. You have also post for the inorganic chemistry, petroleum engineering, So a lot of posts are there from various fields. So from civil engineering we have posts from a lot of things. Here some posts are also in the 10th basis. So if you have an ITI certificate, you may have many posts for this category also. So we have like 36 posts for electricals, 35 posts for another electricals. We have the different category, different work type actually. So here we have the for civil engineers, here we have for mechanical ITI. So these are the some posts regarding this category. But one thing you should notice, the last date is very near. Last date is 13/9/2021. So today is 6th. You have at least 7 days to fill this online form. You can visit this website, or you can simply go to the NIOT vacancy. So you will get the actual link of where you can apply this certificate, apply this post. Okay, so it's all about for today. If you want the PDF of this vacancy, this advertisement, you can join our Telegram channel, that is @Geologica 2020. Okay, so you can join our Telegram channel to get a PDF of this advertisement. Now in the next video we will see some other advertisements which also are going to be closed by few days, 7 or 8 days. So I will try to make another notification videos for today or by tomorrow. Thank you.